Hello. Today we look at significant figures, rules for finding significant figures. And significant figures is just a way to shorten out an answer because sometimes we could have a multiplication or division with a lot of numbers, especially division, a lot of decimal places, and it becomes difficult as to how many numbers do I give on this answer. Therefore, significant figures will tell you how many numbers you should have on an answer. Let's first of all look at what a significant figure is. Non-zeros, numbers 1 through 9, are always significant figures. So if an answer has, let's say in this case, 23,575 centimeters, these are all non-zero numbers. Therefore, they are all significant figures. I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. Whatever the question is, if the answer is 23,575, then this answer has 5 significant figures. Another example, non-zeros. A question with 17.652 centimeters is going to have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures because they're all non-zeros. Let's move on. Point B. Zeros in between non-zeros are always significant figures. So if this zero is sandwiched in between two non-zeros, those zeros always count as significant figures. For example, 23,005 centimeters. I have in this number two zeros in between non-zero numbers. Therefore, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this answer has 5 significant figures because these zeros, although they're zeros, they're in between non-zeros, so they do count. Another example, 17.02 centimeters. This zero is in between non-zeros, between the 7 and the 2. Therefore, this answer has, therefore, this question is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. 4 significant figures. Moving on. Point C. All zeros to the right of a decimal point are significant figures. For example, 23,000, sorry, 232,000, let's make a space over here, 232,575.00. These zeros are after or to the right of decimal points. Therefore, these two zeros are significant. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 significant figures. Because these zeros, although they're zeros, they're placeholders and they do count as significant figures. Another example, 17.0 centimeters, 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures. Last point. Zeros that act as placeholders are not significant. That's zeros to the left. These are zeros to the left of decimal points, such as 0.002575. I start counting my significant figures at the first non-zero, and the first non-zero is 2. So I start counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This number has 4 significant figures. Another example. 0.000000. All these zeros are non-significant because I begin counting at the first non-zero, which is the 6. 6, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 significant figures. Last example. It's a large number with a lot of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros. but they are to the right, yes, of a decimal point. However, they do not count as significant because the first non-zero is here, 2. So this sample has only one significant figure. Let's see how things would change. If I had a 1 here, then everything would be significant. However, I don't have a 1, I don't have a 2, I have a 0, starting with 0 all the way through. The only significant number here is 2. I hope this helps you out.